In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, access Play Store and install your new default app, in my case Opera Mini. I already have it, so I can click on Home button right away, choose Settings and scroll down. Now you need to select Apps section over here and click on Default Apps. Choose Default Apps. Then click on one of those sections. I want to change my browser apps. I have to click on Browser, choose Opera over here to set it up and simply go back. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!